Hi guys, in today's video I'll be doing a review of the Android L GPE update for the Motorola Moto G. Now I am on XT1032, but you could also install this on XT1033 if you're in Brazil or India. So the lock screen itself is pretty nice, you've got your phone caller which you could slide up and then access it. And yeah, so got that. So you could go into your phone call. Now let's look it again. You could also access your camera. Sorry, I didn't do it correctly. You have to, yeah, like that. And you don't need your password for this. You could just take, sorry about that. You could just take pictures. Well, I don't even care, hello. Yeah, you could just take pictures like that. But yeah, you can't access pictures. You could only access the ones you took that moment. So yeah, that's it really. One cool feature about the new security about Android L is basically you could have two security features now. And what you could do is basically you could have a password like this, but you could also have a face unlock feature as well, or you could have your smart watch unlock your device. So what do I mean by this? Well, you could take a photo of your face with the face feature, and basically what it does is when you're unlocking your phone, before you unlock it, straight away it looks at the person through the face camera, and if it's you unlocking it, it doesn't ask for a password, because it knows it's you on the phone. So that's a pretty cool feature. And if you're basically next to your smartwatch, it knows that you have the phone, so you don't need a password. Now, if it doesn't recognize you, then it requires you to your password. So that's a really cool feature. And as I'm not looking at the face, it's not recognizing anything right now. But yeah, so that's how it works. It's pretty cool. Wait, before we start, let's just quickly turn on this light. Alright, that's much better, man. Yeah, so that's the lock screen. Now let's jump into the notification bar. So the notification bar is basically you drag down once and you get a notification. You can see what your notification is. Now this is an email I have, but you could swipe it away. Now it's all gone. As you can see, some slide to the right, some slide up. It's really cool animations right now. Right. Now what you could also do is drag down again. Now you get a brightness slider. Pretty cool, it's pretty easy now. You could just turn off your thing, turn on that, turning on your mobile data is easy as well right now. You could just tap it on, done, and the back. Before you had to access the settings through here, but now they fixed it finally after like how many years. Auto rotate. Another feature they've added is flashlight. Now you don't need to download those bullshit applications that send your information to the NSA. Now you just have flashlight built in, and you could just turn on Google Chromecast. This feature is like to kind of like promote Google Chromecast, but if you have it, it's really beneficial. So that's a notification. Now again, on the notification, you could change users. Now I could switch from my user to a guest. Now on the guest, you could give your phone to a guest now, and not worry about them going on random stuff. So let's say they try to access your photos. It's only photos they took on the guest account. So look, on device, there's literally no photos found. I mean, there's no applications. It's basically a fresh Android. That's what it basically is, with nothing on it. And you could install stuff what you want them to see. That's it. Let's go back. Switching is easy. And to go back onto your account, you need your password. Right, so that's the notification bar. What else is there? Alright, so let's go into settings. Now this is the Android L home launcher. You can download this by downloading Google Now Launcher. Looks pretty sick, like, to be honest. The Google Now it's all updated. You could do the OK Google thing. So say OK Google. I don't know why it's not working. OK Google. It's not working. I don't know why I set it up. Well, I did set up. OK Google. Let's try it one more time. OK Google. And it's decided not to work, but I could just show you like this. Settings. Voice. Audio history was like that. I don't know why it was like that. But look, OK Google detection. They're all on. Let's try it one more time. OK Google. I don't know why it's not working. I think it's still like, a beta feature, so yeah. So that's it, that's how Android L looks. all the cool animations. You can see how it zooms back down in. That's how it looks. So let's go into the settings application now. Settings looks pretty cool. You know, you've got your Wi-Fi. It's all got the Android L animations, data. You know, got the usual stuff. Now, what has changed is the display. Now, in display, you have ambient display, which wakes up the screen when notification arrives and shows you pretty quickly what they are, and it quickly goes back up. You have daydream now. Well, that was, you had it in KitKat as well, but yeah. So yeah, you got ambient display now. I mean, it's not as good as the one you get on Thing, but it's good enough. Now, sound and notifications. You have basically a Motorola Assist, but in Android L, and I personally think it's better, as you could set time. Like, you could just set it from here. Look, priority. For 1 hour. For 2 hours. Done. You're in Thing now. Okay, done. That's it. And what's also cool is basically, look, you could go to all, and when you're in this time range, 820 to 330, you have another option in priority. It automatically switches silent. And you can have no notifications at all, basically, which is just silent. But yeah, that's it. Battery. Now, there's a sick battery saver feature on this. Battery saver, and your phone just goes orange. Like that. And look, apparently this can save up to 90 minutes, and that is an hour and a half extra battery life. So it's pretty cool. And I turned it to turn on automatically at 15%. Look, turn on automatically at 15%. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's see. I personally think my battery has increased dramatically with Android L. On KitKat it was draining pretty fast. Yeah, so yeah. Let's go to storage. Has Android L affected? Well, I would personally say not really. I don't think it has affected at all. I think the extra applications, the Android art, where before it was taking up a lot of space, has been disappeared. You know, it's not that big of a deal anymore. For some reason, I haven't noticed. Maybe I haven't downloaded all my apps. Maybe they've gotten rid of it. But personally, I think it hasn't affected it. You know, 3.4 gigabytes still remaining. I've got 1.8 gigabytes of apps. But that's just me. You know, you have to test it out. You could add users, location, security. All of these are similar stuff. But yeah, let's just show you the thing. Smart lock. Look, it's called Smart Lock. Trusted devices, trusted places. So when I come to my house, it could automatically be like, oh, he's at his house. It doesn't need the password. It says he's at his house. You know, the usual stuff. And other than that, you know, Android L. I mean, developer options, change some stuff. Let's just show the keyboard to you. Hangouts is the new thing. So let's go on messaging. Oh shit. I don't care. That's gone anyway. It's invalid. Android L. Keyboard. You could try to use that code. It's not going to work, you know. It's a one-time use. But yeah, when you open a browser now and go to Google, look, you don't have Thing anymore. Your Thing is here with every other application. This is your recent apps drawer. And that's basically Android L, guys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.